All right, guys, you asked for it, so I'm going to give it to you. Okay, I am going to teach you how to make my mother's oatmeal. I don't want to call it Dominican oatmeal. It's just oatmeal. Everyone has their own way of making it, and I'm definitely not making it the full-on Dominican way. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I do, how I do it, and why it tastes so good. And for those that don't like the texture of oatmeal, like when it's super thick and, you know, this one is for you. I've definitely recommended my way of making it, well, my mom's way of making it, to a few people, and they actually like eating oatmeal now. So these edges need to be laid. So if you don't like the texture of oatmeal, you might like the way I make it. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so this is what you'll need. Oatmeal, of course. A blender. My blender comes with a blending cup, which is so convenient. 2% milk, and I prefer 2% milk. I've tried almond milk, but I didn't like the way it tastes. Salt, cloves, cinnamon, and vanilla.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까 바다 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 옆일 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you oh. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed